So you just want to add some simple animation recoil to your shots. Not a problem. First thing we gotta do is go to the UE5 skeleton and on the right down under slot name, add a new slot. We'll call it firing additive. Then go to your firing animation and set it to mesh space and frame from this animation. Then right click and turn it into a montage and under the default slot, change it to the firing slot that you just created. Then in the ABP, before we start the additive lean run stuff, right click and add an apply mesh space to additive node. Then we need an add additive identity pose node, and then finally a slot node. Drag them together like so, and then click on the slot and set it to your firing slot you just created earlier. Cool. Now in the third person character blueprint, or wherever you handle the bullet firing logic, at the very end, add the play anim montage node, set it to your firing montage from earlier, and you're done. And here's a little bonus fact from my boss. If you forget to set the animation to additive, you will find parts of your 3D character are going to explode. Kind of like this. You might have seen this glitch in other games before. You probably didn't know it's happening because the developers forgot to check this box. But hey, now you know. If it's happening to you, just make sure things are set to additive on the animation. Regardless, hope that helps, and as always, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.